Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone camera, reset all settings in any iPhone. I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. Fix this problem. First solution, you restart your iPhone, volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears on Apple logo on your screen, and your problem will be fixed. If uh, first solution is not working, the second solution is reset all settings, and go to the setting and scroll up and click on general and scroll up and click on after reset, and then click on reset and click on reset all setting and iPhone given a password, and you do not lose any data of your mobile, only reset setting of iPhone. You can select the reset all settings, and must be iPhone is given a password on your iPhone. You set the password on home screen, and then reset all settings, and 15 to 20 seconds you wait, and restart your iPhone, and your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem, so please let me in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.